Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2013 1500 Ram 5.7. Customers complaining. You see the check engine on the vehicle. Let's check it out to see what the code is from that truck. All right, here she is, guys. That's a Heim 5.7 liter 1500. Let's check it out. Just gonna put the scanner on it just to see the customers complain. Tell me sometime the check engine is on, check engine is off. Let's start the vehicle to see if the check engine is still on it. Actually, the check engine is not on. Just like it tells me, sometimes it's on and sometimes it's off. So now, I'm just gonna put the scanner on it to see what's happening. Okay, it's not there. We don't want the music right now. Just put it down. Let's see. Let's check it out fast. Let's go to 2013 automatic. Go. Display the system. Let's display code. Okay, there you go. Let's see what will come out. Here we go, guys. This is the code that you kept telling me about it. You told me he has his on scan toes. When he do it, he give him P0841, which is like transmission fluid pressure sensor switch, a circuit range performance. Yes, this is the one. That's the code from the transmission. I will go straight to that transmission pressure sensor switch. I'm gonna check it out to see if it's good. Sometime you tell me the light is on, sometimes the light is off. So now, right now, as I start the vehicle, the light is off. So let's go in the bottom just to check it out, the pressure, the transmission pressure switch sensor. Let's go, guys. Okay, so we are in the bottom now. Let's checking the switch. This is the switch right here. just gonna disconnect it, that switch. Sometimes the switch himself defected. With my left hands kind of a little bit tight to come out. I'm just gonna put this camera down and then to remove it with my right hand. There we go, she's out now. Just gonna checking if the wire has cut sometime, if it's shaking of those connectors from those wires. That's good. Something on that one. So what I'm gonna do now, before I do anything, I'm just gonna put everything back and then start the vehicle. Then I will go under and then shaking the wire to see if that check engine will be coming out again. Yeah, let's put it back. Okay, she's back in. I'm gonna start the vehicle again. Then to see if he's gonna come in, I will shake the wire. And after that, I will checking the sensor himself to see the sensor if it's in the good condition. Let's go. Just shake it, just to see if the checking will coming back again. Because sometimes. Okay, so now what we're gonna do on this one, I'm just gonna remove that sensor and to checking to make sure if it's good. We're gonna remove it right now. Yes, to make sure before we do anything on that one. All right, let me grab the tools. This is a 10 bolt right here. We're going to that one here. I'm gonna remove it from there. All right, let's do it. There you go, guys. This is the pot right here. We got it from CarQuest. Yeah, that's the one which is gonna replace it. Show you guys. There she is right there. Here she is. All right. So I'm just gonna remove the old one, which is like she's right there. There you go. Just gonna replace it. All right. Just gonna take it out with a 10mm bolt. I'm gonna take a socket to change that sensor. All right. Let's do it. There you go. Anyways, sorry guys, it's not 10, it's 8mm. That's 8mm. All right. Gonna shake it a little bit to make it come out. Just go nice and easy. This one you don't want to be forcing. This guy sometimes wants to break, wants to force him too much. This could break inside. You don't want that happening. Come on, baby. Yes, come on. Yeah, come on, sexy. Come on. You're doing good. There we go. There she is right there. Okay, guys. This is it right there. And this is the new one. I'm just gonna put the new one right away before we start leaking oil. Yeah. Before we put it in, we just tap it up the heads with lubrication to go inside much easier. Okay, she's in now. Now we're just gonna put the boot. There's an 8mm one. Okay. This space is kind of a little tight space to put this guy in. So now it's gonna be easy with this way. Just not too much. Not too much. She's placing. We have some little bit of transmission fluid just drop, not much, but I'll be fine with this one. All right, I'm just gonna put the connector. Before I put the connector, I'm just gonna wrap it up with some rags, then put the connector, then erase the transmission code on it, and then start it, the word test with it, then to see what's going to be happening. All right. Okay, guys, I put everything back on now. So just gonna drop that sexy and erase the code. Yeah, erase the code, then drop it on the highway. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna erase every single codes that we have. Make sure you erase. Then after that, we're gonna do a road test on this. We're taking the highways with it already. Perfect. Now let's do this, baby. She's looking good. All right, let's go. While I'm gonna be in the highway, I'm gonna checking my transmission data, if everything's looking good on it, especially the shifting level, everything. Make sure. I'm gonna put in my scales right here already. So now I'm just gonna go right now. We're on the road, guys. Check that baby out. Yeah. With that traffic, I don't think I'm gonna hit it on the highway. You have too much car on the highway. I should go this way right there. That traffic is tight. Just gonna do it local. On the road test, she drove very nice. I like it and I enjoy that ride. But too bad the highway was busy, but I still hit 85 at least on the highway. Yeah, 85 kilometers, not miles, because here in Canada we are miles, we're not in kilometer. Miles is more than kilometer. Yeah, he's driving very nice. I can't complain. Yeah, please guys, share the video to friends, a family member who has the same issues, problem like that. Maybe that video could help. Please share that video, subscribe. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready.